out there.
Whoa. Holy crap, they're huge.
The bars,
Yeah.
you know, with a hammer, of course.
Okay.
On the rafter, we pre-drill it, and then we lag this puck into the rafter.
View for your house from the top.
Oh, wow. Look how big they are.
As long as the inverters are charged,
Wow.
you're going to keep producing solar.
How cool.
So. Have room if I could at least get the pool in there, and I didn't have room for the irrigation disconnect gateway panel. Disconnect gateway enclosure. Disconnect gateway. I wanted to travel, so I definitely have to do that. Just finishing my degree.
Crap, hey. Oh, you're good.
No, I'm gonna.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Oh. Cool. Wow.
Yeah, now with the
All right, 5 months later.
The thing about working at Tesla though is I feel like usually it's far behind it.
Yeah, it does.
Just even the days like it's half the time I'm like
Everything looking the same? The layout?
So, this one is for your pool panel. Support. I will tell you of this one. Little spots right here.
Okay.
That's these pucks
Okay.
he's talking about.
So this screw goes into your rafter, right?
Right.
And then this secures here. And then this is called a filter.
So they're going to be added tomorrow. But this is all your equipment.
Ah.
These are your two gateways. Each one of these boxes. We're going to also probably have to run a conduit from here to there.
Okay.
Because we want to split this up.
Basically the brains for your system. Okay, so
communication between your system, your app.
What you think, baby?
Hi, touch.
Oh my goodness. No, don't touch him.
Is that okay? We're going to the plane tomorrow. Yeah, see that,
Oh, cool.
this will be the side skirts.
Ah, side skirts,
So
yeah.
it'll help it look really, really clean.
Sweet.
One AC unit, number one, and one of your water heaters is over here. And then everything else is here.
Sweet.
Armin, ready? Yeah.
Okay, gateway 2. You have two different systems.
Oh.
So there's your batteries.
Okay.
Batteries are actually 5% more than that.
Oh. Okay.
Same thing. Let's go to power flow. This is the cool screen.
Holy crap.
This is what you're drawing right now on one of the systems.
Wow.
First thing it's going to do is charge the battery. We're going to do an off-grid test.
Okay.
Off-grid test is so you can see everything operating off your batteries. There's still the main switches right here. Shut these two off, and if you actually want to stand in the garage, I just want you to see the lights stay on.
All right.
We're going to turn these two off. You're off-grid right now.
Wow.
So you're running your solar still, charging the batteries, and whatever over, it's going to feed your house.
How cool.
What I want to do is turn.
Look, it's green and glowing. No, I meant like, how does the wire go from here to over there?
So, for example, on this gateway here, it goes from this main breaker that's here, comes into the disconnect, goes from the disconnect into this main breaker right here. From here, this is where it changes power. You might hear it while we're standing right here. Comes through here, and then back into here, comes into this panel, and then from here, it actually goes back into your panel inside. And these two will be off. There's another one in here. This is the other inverter. Inverter 1, inverter 2.
Okay.
They'll both be in off position. You're going to turn them off.
Woo! Oh, missed a little. Dang it. Ah.